In this video, I am going to show you whether YouTube TV has voice control and how you can use it to enhance your streaming experience. Yes, YouTube TV does support voice control, but it depends on the device you're using. If you're watching YouTube TV on a smart TV or streaming device with a voice-enabled remote, such as Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, or Google Chromecast, you can use voice commands to search for shows, movies, or channels. For example, you can say, "Play ESPN on YouTube TV," or search for Stranger Things, and the system will navigate for you. Additionally, if you're using YouTube TV on an Android device, you can use Google Assistant to launch the app or find content by saying commands like, "Open YouTube TV," or "Find comedies on YouTube TV." Unfortunately, voice control isn't available on all devices, so make sure your setup supports it. If this video helped you learn how to use voice control on YouTube TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.